gonna be a spicy one. Jeff, have 911 ready. Hey everybody, welcome back. My name's Amara Andrew, and today I'm gonna show you how to make one of my all-time favorite mocktails. In addition to my CBD Mai Tai mocktail, which I already posted the video, so go check it out. This is honestly one of my all-time favorite drinks. It is the perfect combination of spice and sweet, and it's absolutely delicious. A little note, if you don't really like spicy stuff, I probably wouldn't recommend this drink for you. The rim is tahini, and then there's also jalapeno in it, so it has a little bit of a kick. I'm just gonna show you how to make this. It's so simple. You don't have to have any syrups or anything. You just need the ingredients, which obviously, just like any recipe, you have to. Let's just get to it. First, what you're gonna do, you're gonna take a lowball glass, and then this is just a lime that I used for lime juice for this recipe. I'm just gonna rim my glass, and then I'm just gonna run it through the tahini. Okay, cool. Beautiful tahini rim. Okay, so I'll just put that out of the way so I don't just start eating it. Actually, I do want a little bite though. Oh, it's so good. It gets you like right in here. So, drink is all rimmed, ready to go. So then what you're gonna do, you're gonna take 2 to 3 jalapeno slices, or like little discs. Take the seeds out ahead of time or else you're gonna burn the fuck out of your mouth. If you like really spicy stuff, then leave them in. So I'm gonna put those in the bottom. I kept a couple seeds in there just because, I don't know, let's just get crazy. Wah! So then we have our jalapeno. Then you're gonna take about 6 mint leaves. I have 1,006 for some reason, I can't count. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna take about 2 teaspoons of sugar. I'm using Demerara sugar, but you could also do an ounce of simple syrup instead if you feel like it. Pour that in. And then finally, 1 ounce of lime juice. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is just muddle everything together. Kind of like a mojito in a way. I don't know why I said mojito instead of mojito. That was weird. So you're just gonna try to extract the juices, oh fuck, of the jalapeno. Oh man, you do not want to get this in your eyes, so just be careful. Unless, you know, you're kind of into that, which whatever floats your boat, just do whatever makes you happy as long as you're not hurting anybody. Okay, cool. So that looks muddled. I used to eat spicy stuff all the time. Ever since I stopped eating spicy food regularly, my tolerance is like negative. Damn! Oh, this is gonna be a spicy one. Maybe I shouldn't have left the seeds in there. Jeff, have 911 ready. Whew. Uh-oh. It's a little spicy. Okay, so apparently time is of the essence currently because I might die. Actually, it's kind of dissipating now to a lovely spice flavor. Uh-oh. Okay, quickly before I died. Okay, so next what I'm gonna do, I didn't put it in anything fancier, but this is 1 cup of pineapple juice. So I'm adding this to my beverage. Actually, a little loud. Okay, so the next what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a giant ice sphere to it just to keep it nice and cool, because it's hot. Oh fuck, whoops. Oh damn. Okay, so step 4 or 5 or whatever, clean up your life's decisions. Okay, well, normally you're supposed to add a little bit of Topo Chico or sparkling water or whatever to this. I kind of fucked up just a little bit with adding a little too much pineapple juice, so I'm just gonna add a touch to the top. You can garnish it with a lime wheel, you can garnish it with another little jalapeno disc on the side if you want, but I just went with the lime wheel because apparently I just realized my phone stopped recording. I don't know when, but it stopped recording at some point. Okay, so I just looked through the footage. Apparently it stopped recording when I dropped the giant ice sphere in there. I guess it was trying to save me from my own embarrassment. I just talked to my phone, but you will be seeing it from this perspective, so it's gonna be very weird looking. So I'm gonna be like this. Wow. Anywho, so yes, this is your mocktail. And this is your mocktail of drugs. This is, I don't know what I'm calling it, jalapeno business. Jalapeno lime mocktail. Nice and catchy and unique. Let's sip it for real. Why do I always make sounds when I drink? God, that's so annoying. Ah, but this is not. This is really good. So you get the spice from the jalapeno. You get the mint, just subtly on your palate. The tahini is perfect with it because it has like the lime and chili and everything. Obviously the pineapple, oh my God, this is all fabulous. Oh, if you're doing alcohol, you could add a shot or two of tequila in here, depending on how much you want to party, and that would be delicious. Full recipe is available on my website at amariandrew.com. Direct link is in the description, and you can find the entire lovely goodness that is in this cup. That's it for me right now. I'm gonna go cry because I lost some of the footage, but that's okay, you can see it from this perspective. I'm very curious to see it when I edit it. That was that mocktail, my Jalapeño Pineapple Mocktail, I think is just what I'm gonna call it. Full recipe on my website, like I said, link in the description below, and yeah, I'll talk at you next time. Bye-bye!